So hello jelly babes. So I thought I would put this video on. If you're following me on Instagram, you will have already seen my design for this, but I never got around to doing a video. And I know they've brought out a new challenge recently, but I just haven't had the time to join it, and I was proper gutted as well because the design image looked cool. But I just thought, well, I can show you this one instead because I never got around to showing it you. So I just started off with a white gel base and cured that in my lamp. I'm using a new Moyou London mix and match plate because it had the kind of like look that I was going for with, you know, picking out the different bits from the inspiration challenge. I've joined quite a few of these now. I do really enjoy them. They do sort of make you think outside the box and, you know, get those creative juices flowing kind of thing, which I do need. So yeah, so if you've not joined these or haven't heard of these, then you can find the prompt, the picture on Instagram on the inspiration challenge. Just follow them and wait for the next prompt and you can join. But basically you can take whatever you want from that image, whether it's just the colors, whether it's the shapes, or whether you want to, you know, make it look like identical. It doesn't matter. It's just what your interpretation of the design is. And I really do love looking at the other ladies' designs that they come up with. It's quite cool seeing everybody's different interpretations of the same image. So I'm just filling in these flowers now. I'm obviously keeping to the sort of red, yellow and blue theme because that's mainly the colours that are on the image. Just filling it in like so. But I really like the theme of this sort of mix and matches like plate, because I know obviously you can take images that you've got and do this look, but obviously it's a lot easier just having it all there and done. So yeah, so it's quite a funky feel. So again, I'm just using the same colours and incorporating that into the design. So I kind of did similar things now for all of them, but I did them off camera. So this is how they looked. And then I basically, obviously I put this white over it because it didn't have anything, because I wanted it like a decal. And I did put white on all of the others as well, just because that makes the colours kind of like pop. I know I've put it over a white base anyway, but that's what I do. So to make this stick properly, I'm actually just putting some transfer foil glue on. You could put this on if you were doing like a dry stamp, like instead of peeling it off like I'm doing, because I got chicken last minute. I didn't want to do it in case it messed it up and I'm peeling it off and placing it on. You can just stamp it straight off the stamper, which is a lot easier and it's less fiddling and faffing. So obviously you want to place that onto the nail, then you want to cut it off as much excess as possible. Then you're going to need some cleanup with acetone and a brush. So there you go. And then you go in with your top coat. I'm just using a gel top coat, but you can use whatever your favourite top coat is. And cure that underneath your lamp, and that is it. That is the end look. So I decided to show you with a matte finish also, just in case that's something you wanted to see. And this is it with a glossy look. So I really hope that you like this design, jelly babes. It's a bit funky, it's a bit out there. I enjoyed making it. So thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll be able to join the next prompt. But until then, bye.